So today I'm going to show you how to complete the CNC router assignment for the organizer base. So to do that, first thing you need to do is click on this link right here to get the base. So click on the organizer base link and then go ahead and download just the base. So you'll want to export the base, make sure it's an STL. This one, make it inches and then export that. Okay. And I'm just going to export it as base. Okay. Then you'll go to Cut3D and you'll go load 3D file and go to the downloads. Open the base. Okay. And it brings it in. You might have to click it to inches here. So it should be about 5.5 by 6 by about 0.75. We're going to leave it on top. Okay, this orientation is just fine, so we'll go ahead and hit apply. All right. Hit next. Let's see here. Oh, I see. Okay. So our material size, you can pretty much leave these alone, 6 by 5.5 by 0.75, because that's pretty close to the size of the piece of wood you're going to get. Down here where it says symmetrical, you probably want to make that 0.25 if we're working with inches. Okay. And so that will make it more like this. All right. Make sure the depth below surface, it's all the way at the bottom. Okay. We'll hit next. Here, create roughing toolpath. You'll want to select a 1/4 inch end mill. Okay. You can set it up very much similar to this. You can make the feed rate 300 if it's not, and leave the plunge rate alone. Hit OK. All that's fine. You can hit calculate, and what it's going to do is calculate the roughing toolpath for this thing. Okay. Which really is just going to do the step for us. Okay. Then we'll hit next. Before we do that, let's go to you could probably leave all these 0. We really just need the 0.25 in the front. Okay. And then really all it should do is this right here. Okay. The slanted part. We'll hit next. Finishing toolpath. Same bit. 1/4 inch. Make sure the step over is 0.025 or 10%. You can do a long Y. So we hit calculate and it should go this way. And it'll look like this. Okay, so it'll do the slant and do the inside. Next. So we don't need a cutout or anything. Preview. So I always preview the roughing. You can see it's just going to do that. And then we'll preview the finishing, and it should go and put the slant and everything in for us. Okay. And then if that's looks about right, then we'll go ahead and hit next. All right. So if that looks about right, I would go ahead and screenshot that. Hit next. All right. And then I would go File, Save As. It's going to be a V3D file, save it as base, and then you'll hand this in. Okay, so you'll hand this V3D file in. And then I will go through and create the G code for it. So that's really all you need to do to complete that. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.